cc of air into the syringe and inject into the vial of diluent. As one complete unit, turn the vial upside down so that the tip of the needle stays below the liquid level, and pull back on the plunger to withdraw 1 cc. Inject the diluent.
The technique of in vitro fertilization, or IVF, removes several eggs from the ovary for fertilization in the laboratory. After a few days, 1 or 2 of these fertilized eggs, which are now known as embryos, are returned to the uterus in the hope that they implant and become a pregnancy. Women having IVF are given special reproductive hormones to encourage several eggs to develop in the ovaries. Final maturation of the egg itself is induced by the administration of a further hormone. 36 hours later, by the administration of a further hormone. 36 hours later, fluid containing the eggs is drawn from the ovary with a needle. This is usually performed under light sedation in a short outpatient procedure with the doctor using ultrasound to check proceedings.
Rellenan de sangre. El pene se yergue y los testículos se elevan. En el momento culminante del orgasmo se produce la eyaculación, una serie de contracciones espasmódicas que impulsan los espermatozoides por los conductos donde también se vierten.
Technique of intrauterine insemination. Sperm is provided either by the male partner or by a third-party donor whose sperm has been stored in a deep-freeze sperm bank. Before insemination, the sperm samples are prepared in the laboratory. They are assessed for safety, quality and quantity and then passed through a filtering system for grading and washing. With a syringe and fine tube, the prepared sperm cells are then introduced directly into the cavity of the by injecting an individual sperm cell into each of the collected eggs. For this purpose, each egg is placed under a very powerful microscope and a single sperm cell is injected directly into it by means of a very fine needle. Following injection, and after about 24 hours in the incubator, most of the eggs will show signs of fertilization. will comprise around 8 cells. It is then transferred to the uterus by means of a thin flexible needle, where it is left to implant and form a pregnancy.